What if I tell you that by just looking at someone's handwriting, you can get to know their confidence level? That would be amazing, right? So we in this video we are going to know how to do that. So as you can see, there are two T's here. First one is here and second one is like this. You can see in handwriting. Okay. So in letter T, let's look at first the basic elements in letter T. So in letter T, this is known as stem, the umbrella like structure. And the second one here is known as bar. Okay, this is the bar. So bar in the sense the dash, and high bar in the sense higher the dash, higher the bar. Okay, and lower the dash, lower the bar. So that's the concept. So let's look at firstly this type of letter T. So letter T firstly is the letter which is used by all graphologists to understand how much self-esteem a person have. Okay, if someone is having high T bar, it indicates that person dreams big and pushes a lot himself. Okay, and if someone is having low T bar, then it indicates that a person is having low confidence and need improvement in confidence. Okay, so let's look at first this one. As you can observe, the bar is lower. Okay, so the people who have this kind of letter T, the bar is lower. These people have low confidence. They don't push themselves much, and their self-image is not so good. They don't believe they can do certain things at a certain level. They don't believe that they can push themselves. In short, their self-esteem is much more lower. Lower the bar, the rule of thumb is simple. Lower the bar, lower the self-esteem or confidence the writer has. Okay, similarly, for high T bar, it's completely opposite. So for high T bar, like here, okay, like here, the high T bar indicates that person have good self-esteem, and this person pushes himself to achieve more, himself or herself to achieve more, okay, in life. And these people tend to dream big. Their self-image is good as well. So in the rule is also similar to here. Higher the T bar, more the visionary and more the high dreamer the person is. Now some people tend to have bar like here. This is not a good trait. Okay, these people are daydreamers. They just dream things, yet those they don't make it happen. And making it happen is important, right? Just dreaming about something is not that much good. So don't overdo it. If you are changing your T, this letter T is ideal. And if you are someone who is running company or who just want to do something big for a nation or for the world, then you can put the high T bar like here. Okay, or else this one works. This is the best one for everybody. So if you are someone who has letter T like here, or if you are someone who has the bar in middle as well, middle bar people are balanced people. They don't push themselves that much, and they don't also have the low self-esteem kind of. Okay, yet it is best to have high self-esteem, right, for succeeding in life. So this one is the best one. So if you are someone who has this kind of letter T or even the middle bar, or even like this, okay, then start writing letter T like this. Okay, it will help you be more confident about self, and it will make you push yourself more, and your overall self image will also improve. Okay, so this is the best T. Avoid this type of T. So next time you see someone's handwriting, by looking at letter T, you will be able to know how much confident they are, okay, without talking to them. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Let's move to next.